Hello students. So here I am back with another paper, that is the paper of 2021 September of history MHSET. So here you can see the paper was of 2 hours. There were total 100 questions. Paper was of 2 hours. There were total of 100 questions and maximum marks 200, and also there is no negative marking. Yes, there is no negative marking in this exam for any incorrect option. There is no negative marking. Now moving further, we will go with the very first question. Also don't forget to check my other two videos of 2023 paper. Yes, let's start. Which of the following methods is not a scientific method of exploration of archaeological sites? So, not a scientific method. Here it is asked not a scientific method of exploration of archaeological sites. Laris method, Laris periscope, aerial photography, electrical resistance surveying, study of the village names. So by just looking at the options, we can say the most appropriate answer will be study of village names. So it is not any scientific method. Okay, next question. Which of the following sites does not belong to the Neolithic period? Not. Please look at the question properly. There it is mentioned not. Belong to Neolithic period. Neolithic period. Okay. Neolithic period, which was from 7000 BC approx to 1000 BC, and it was, for this we have to know various Neolithic sites so that we can eliminate the answer. Burza Home, which is in Kashmir. Burza Home is a very famous place in Kashmir, Neolithic place. Chirand, it is in Bihar. Yes, it was in 2023 also. The question was related to this. It was in the options. Chirand, which is in Bihar, a Neolithic site. Tekalkota, it is in Karnataka. It is also a Neolithic site. Yes, so option Ahichhatra. This site, Ahichhatra, it is an ancient capital of Panchal in Uttar Pradesh. Yes, it is in Bareilly district. Ahichhatra. It is also a place where the 23rd Tirthankar Parshvanath attained Kevalana. Yes, he attained the salvation. Yes. Sorry for the mispronunciation. Yes, and also there is one more point here I would like to mention about Meherghar. It is the oldest Neolithic site. Discovered something 7000 BC. Yes. Next question. Third, the evidence of iron smelting furnace was found in the excavation of megalithic site in Maharashtra. Iron smelting furnace. Now here it is megalithic site. Okay. For this we have to know the megalithic sites present in Maharashtra. Yes, in Maharashtra. And where the iron smelting furnace was found? Mahur Zhari, Borgav, Juna Pani, Naikund. Okay, so here the answer is Naikund. Option number D, Naikund, which is near Nagpur. We are near Nagpur. Yes. And here Borgav. Borgav is a upper Paleolithic site. Upper Paleolithic site. Yes, in Maharashtra. Other options, Juna Pani. It is also near Nagpur. It has a very famous that stone circle place, which is a megalithic site. Yes. Cemetery of Harappan period is not found at. Cemetery of Harappan period is not found at. Cemetery, Dafan Bhumi, place of burial, is not found at Kuntasi. Option D, Kuntasi. Yes, Kuntasi is in Gujarat. We will also look at other options. Farmana, Rakhighari is the largest site, Harappan site, largest Indus Valley civilization site or Harappan site in Haryana. And Surkatoda, it is in Gujarat. Also, cemetery R37 was found in Harappa. Please make a note of this. And there is a couple burial in Lothal. Okay, just make notes of this. Fifth question, the Harappan site Rakhighari is situated in. Just now we have discussed it is in Haryana, largest site. But here there are two options of Haryana: Hisar district of Haryana, and Rohtak district of Haryana. So the very appropriate answer is Hisar district of Haryana. Hisar district of Haryana. Yes. In the Vedic text, Vrihi means wheat, rice, barley, moong. Option number B. Vrihi means rice. Yes, Vrihi means rice. We will also, for our knowledge, we will also get names of other. Wheat is Godhuma. Barley or millets, Yava. And moong is Mudga. There is also one other very famous crop, sugarcane, which is known as Ikshu. Sugarcane, known as Ikshu. In Vedic Samhitas, the term Jana denotes dialect, caste, tribe, family. We are aware of the word Janpad or Mahajanpad. So the word Jana refers to tribe. Yes. Adivasi Samaj. Moving further, the Barbara cave inscriptions of Mauryan king Dasharath mention the excavation of the caves for the Jainas, Buddhist, Bhagavatas, Ajivikas. So the option is Ajivikas. Barbara caves were built by Ashoka. Ashoka, yes, Ashoka, and his grandson. Dashrath. Dashrath is grandson. Grandson Dashrath. Yes. These are the oldest rock cut caves in Bihar. Oldest rock cut caves in Bihar, and there is an inscription in Sudama cave by Ashoka assigning 4 caves to Ajivika in 261 BC. Another at Nagarjuni Hills by his grandson Dashrath, that Ajivikas continue to use these caves under the patronage of the Mauryan Empire. Yes, 261 BC. In Bihar, oldest rock cut caves. Who among the following was a royal physician of Bimbisar? Ninth question. Who among the following was royal physician? Rajaved, Chelna, Chelna, Jivak, Khema, Chetak. Option is Jivak. Yes, Jivak, a very well-known physician of Bimbisar and Buddha, Lord Buddha. Also, a very interesting fact, Jivak was son of Bimbisar and brother of Ajatashatru. Yes, he was son of Bimbisar. An inscribed image of the Mauryan king Ashok has been found from. 10th question, an inscribed image. It is found in Kangahalli, which is in Karnataka. In Karnataka. Yes, and there is also, along with the label, label Rayo Ashoka, that means King Ashoka. Rayo Ashoka. The first inscriptional reference of Bharatvarsh is recorded at Girnar inscription of King Ashoka, Hathi Gumpa inscription of King Kharavela, Prayag Prashasti of King Samudragupta, Junagadh rock inscription of Rudradaman. It's Hathi Gumpa inscription of King Kharavela or Kharvel. King Kharvel, yes, it is in Udaygiri Hills. Udaygiri Hills in Odisha, what we call Kaling back then, Elephant Kings, and it is in Prakrit language. Prakrit language, and these are marvelous caves. Yes, the place is very magnificent. The discovery of Dash inscription throws new light on genealogy of the Kushana dynasty. The option is option A, Rabatak. Yes, it is near Surk Kotal in Afghanistan. a Bactrian language inscription which is written in Greek script. It was written during the reign of Kanishka and it gives more detail about the Kushana dynasty. Question number 13. Bodhisattva is the stage when a person leaves home and becomes wanderer for knowledge. A person becomes reformer and fight against social evils. A person becomes next to Buddha and generates awakening and compassion. A person becomes supreme head of a monastery and takes care of each one. Option is C. A person becomes next to Buddha and generates awakening and compassion. We have very famous Padmapani, Vajrapani, Manjushri and Maitreya. Maitreya, please keep it in mind. Maitreya supposed to be future Buddha. Yes, Maitreya is supposed to be future Buddha. Which of the following is not an example of Buddhist stupa sites? Buddhist stupa sites. We have approx 85,000 Buddhist stupas back then in India. Yes, but which is not a site? Option B, Bhitargaon. Bhitargaon is not a Buddhist site. It is a place in UP known for rock cut, known for the temple, known for the terracotta temple or in Gupta era. Yes, it is a Hindu shrine with a roof and shikhara. Next question. Which of the following sites was located on the junction of Uttar Pat and Dakshin Pat? Uttar Pat and Dakshin Pat, the trade routes of ancient India. Which was the site? Mathura, Prayag, Dwarka, Hampi. The site was Mathura. Mathura, yes. This finds a reference in some IGNOU notes. Yes, it was in the IGNOU notes. Yes, in ancient notes, ancient history notes. Yes, the statue of Poseidon, the Roman sea god, was found at the site in Maharashtra. Dash site in Maharashtra. Roman god. Yes, it is in Brahmapuri. Brahmapuri. There are also there are many bronze objects excavated of Indian, Italian and Roman origin. Yes, bronze artifacts or bronze objects. Which of the following scholar has recently identified the King Chandra mentioned in Mehrauli pillar inscription with Gupta king Samudragupta? Which of the following scholars? King Chandra. But obviously he might be his father or he might be his son. Mehrauli iron pillar inscription mentions Chandragupta II, also known as Vikramaditya. Yes, and this was given by Sri Ram Goyal. Sri Ram Goyal. Yes. The Mehrauli pillar inscription belongs to Vaishnava sect or Vishnu, and there is records which records of erection of dhwaja. Next question, moving 18th. A Damodarpur plate describes Uparika as Uparika. It's a term. Provincial official. Provincial official. Yes. Damodarpur plate is a copper plate inscription, and it is in North Bengal. It is about North Bengal, and there were two Uparikas or provincial Maharajas, provincial official, Brahmadat and Jayadatt. Yes, Damodarpur, which is a place in North Bengal. Damodarpur. Several images of Bodhisattva dash have been found in Gandhar art. Yes, in Gandhar art. Option is A, Maitreya Bodhisattva, which is also the future Buddha. Yes. Which of the following Gupta kings had issued a gold coin which depicts a rhinoceros? Rhinoceros. These gold coins were like slayer of the rhinoceros, and this were issued by Kumar Gupta I. He was the only king to issue such coins, and this were issued by him. Rhinoceros slayer type coins. These were gold coins, and his period was 399 to 455. 80. He was one of the last great emperors, Gupta emperors. He was one of the last great Gupta emperors. Who is the author of the famous Allahabad Prashasti? A very famous, very common topic, Allahabad Prashasti for Samudragupta, written by Harisena, and this is a source about the political history of Guptas. This pillar, this inscription is the source of political history of Guptas. This is also known as Prayag Prashasti. Also known as Prayag Prashasti. Ravi Kirti was the court poet of Harsha. We know this very well. Harsha of Kannauj. 22nd. Junagadh rock inscription referred to Rudradaman as. The Junagadh rock inscription referred to Rudradaman as Chakravarti, Lord of Dakshinpat, King of the Sea, Maharaj. So the option is Lord of the Dakshinpat. Dakshinpat Swami. Junagadh rock inscription, also known as Girnar rock inscription. There was also question on this in the 23rd 2023 paper. So Junagadh or Girnar rock inscription, it is in Sanskrit. Who was Rudradaman? Rudradaman was a ruler of Western Satra. Yes. And along with this Rudradaman's inscription, there was inscription of Ashoka. There is one of the major rock edict of Ashoka present in the Girnar rock inscription. And there is also inscription of Skandagupta. Yes, the Gupta king. His governor Parmata repaired the Sudarshan Lake. There are two mentions about the repair work of Sudarshan Lake. So first was done by Rudradaman, and then in 1451 approx, second time it was repaired by Skandagupta, Gupta ruler, Skandagupta. Yes. 23rd, the second Buddhist council was held at Vaishali under the presidency of Sambhuta, Upagupta, Revata, Sabkami. It is Sabkami. And who, under whose patronage? Under Kala Ashoka. Under Kala Ashoka in 383 BC. 100 years after the Buddha's death. Who was Upagupta, by the way? He was when Ashoka's guru. Sorry. Which of the following is the earliest known epigraphic evidence mentioning the custom of sati? Earliest known epigraphic evidence of custom of sati. This is also given in the old NCERT, but not the name of the epigraphic evidence of the inscription, but there is a mention about this, that it is the Iran pillar inscription of Bhanugupta, which is present in Madhya Pradesh. In Madhya Pradesh. Yes. Written in 1510 CE or AD. Iran Bohar inscription of Toraman. There were also evidence of ban of widow remarriage. Girls were denied of basic education and custom of sati, prevalent custom of sati. Yes, which was showing that the patriarchal society was getting strong foot in the Indian civilization. 25th, Amravati Stupa was constructed during the period of Amravati Stupa, which is present in Amravati near the river Krishna in Andhra Pradesh. It was constructed during the period of Satvahana rulers. It was taller than Sachi. It has a high platform and a huge circular dome. Amravati Stupa, also known as Mahachaitya. Yes. Who was the only king of the Vakataka dynasty who took the title of Samrat? Vindhyashakti, Rudrasen I, Pravarsen I, Prithvishen I. Option is C, Pravarsen I. Yes. Who was Vindhyashakti? He was the founder of Kakatiya dynasty. Founder. Yes. And their capital was? Nandivardhan, a place near Nagpur in Maharashtra. Best ruler was Pravarsen I. Yes, he conducted Ashwamed Vajpaya and various rituals. Also, he has given himself other titles too, like Dharma Maharaj. हरितपुत्र, हरितिपुत्र, and but obvious Samrat. In the early medieval Deccan, Upakirti and Kanika were 27th question. Customary taxes. Yes, there are very cute names, Upakirti and Kanika. Kanika is also girl's name. Yes. Customary taxes. The phrase Dushta Nigraha Shishta Pratipalana occurs constantly in the inscriptions of. What does this phrase means? To restrain the evil and to protect the good. This we find the mention of this from the Hoysalas. This is also given in the IGNOU notes. Yes, history notes, IGNOU history notes of medieval India. So Hoysalas they were ruling Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Their capital was Helebid. Capital. Helebid. Why it is happening? Helebid, and founder was Nripakama II. Vishnuvardhan was the famous ruler. Question number 29. The famous Chaura Panchasika, the love thief of 11th century was composed by Bilhana, Kalhana, Himadri, Someshwara. It is Bilhana. Bilhana was a very famous Kashmiri poet. Yes, he also 11th century Kashmir poet. He also wrote books like Vikram Dev Charita. Vikram Dev Charita. It was book on Vikramaditya IV of the Western Chalukya. Yes, Vikramaditya IV. And another book was Karna Sundari. It's a love affair, secret love affair of Karna and Vidyadhiri. Also, this love thief was a love affair of Bilhana and a princess. Yes. The poets Peri Alvar and Nam Alvar belong to which of the following religious tradition? Mahanubhav, Ajivika, Alvar, Nayanar. We can also see by their names they were Alvars. Who were Alvars? The Vaishnavas who used to worship Vishnu. 31st, in the early medieval Deccan, portion of freshly yielded paddy given to temple Brahmanas, rulers and various kind of laborers of village were indicated by the term. Please read the options. Sarva Brahmanam, Sarva Bharnam, Bhratavarga Poshanam, Grama Poshanam, Sarva Jivanam. So the correct option is Bhratavarga Poshanam. Yes, the correct option is Bhratavarga Poshanam. Portion of freshly yielded paddy given to temple Brahmanas, rulers and various kind of laborers. (32nd) What is subject matter of the following test? Mayamata, Manasara, Kamika Gama. Yes, I am repeating the words so that this should fit in your mind. Fix these words in your mind. Political philosophy, Varna Jati Samskara, ritual practices in Central India, temple architecture. These were temple architecture. Yes, these were books having subject about temple architecture. Question number 33. Tevaram belong to Shaivism. Yes, Tevaram belong to Shaivism. Question number 34. In the 14th century, the route from Ghazni and Kabul to Delhi was via Multan. So, next question, 35th. After Qutbuddin Aibak's death, who among the following asserted independence in Sindh? After Qutbuddin Aibak's death, Qutbuddin Aibak died in something 1230, and after his death, Kubacha, he was governor of Multan appointed by Muhammad Ghori. He asserted his independence in Sindh, Punjab. Yes, in Sindh, Punjab, this side, and also Ali Mardan asserted his independence at the accession of Iltutmish. After Qutbuddin's death, Iltutmish was the next ruler, and at his accession to the throne, Ali Mardan declared himself king of Bengal and Bihar. Ali Mardan. Next question, 36th. Other than at Daulatabad, where in Deccan can we find examples of Tughlaq architecture? Muhammad bin Tughlaq's expedition to Daulatabad, like he was supposed to make Daulatabad his capital, but he failed. Other than Daulatabad, where we can find Khush Mahal at Warangal. Khush Mahal at Warangal in Telangana state. It is also known as Shitab Khan Mahal. Shitab Khan Mahal. Shitab Khan Mahal. Khush Mahal in Warangal. In the 15th century, the Dash tried to replace the Tamil peasant elite by granting lands to the temples. 37th option is Palyakars. Palyakar, yes. Tamil peasant elite by granting lands to temples. Of the 5 Deccani Sultanates, which of one of the following were founded by Afaki nobles? Afaki nobles. The option is 30th option D. Bijapur, Golconda and Bidar. Bijapur, Golconda and Bidar. Who wrote the Dandaniti Parakranam? Dandaniti Prakaranam. It was Keshav Pandit. It is also known as criminal jurisprudence. Who among the following historians said that Kakatiya king Prataparudra marks the beginning of 2 different state systems in the Deccan? Who among the following historians? Option is A. Richard Eaton. Option is A. Richard Eaton. Yes. The Madura Vijayam is a Sanskrit source that describes expansion of Vijayanagar kingdom into Madurai territory. Madura Vijayam was written by Queen Loka Mahadevi, who was wife of wife of Kumar Kampan. Yes. Kumar Kampan was son of Bukkaraya I, who was the founder of Vijayanagar kingdom. Bukkaraya's son Kumar Kampan. 42nd, the establishment of Sultanate is seen as marking a distinct phase of history in North India because expansion of urban centers, rise of Rajputs to power, economic decline, the end of caste system. 42nd answer is A, the expansion of urban centers. Why is Iltutmish regarded as first independent Muslim sovereign of India? He had the Qutba read in his name. He defeated all his opponents. Not possible. He was officially designated as Sultan by Aibak. No, Aibak was died due to accident. He was given a letter of investiture by the Caliph. 43rd option is D. Option is D. He was given a letter of investiture by the Caliph. Caliph ने उनको मान्यता दी थी. Yes. The Iqtadari system was introduced in North India by Iltutmish. Yes. Iltutmish. In the period of the Delhi Sultanate, what was meant by Usar land? Usar land. What was meant by Usar land? Land, rich and fertile land? No. Land that was irrigated by canals? No. Land that was irrigated by wells and tanks? No. Barren or uncultivable land? Banjar Zameen. Which Sufi poet talks of printed clothes as Khand Chap? Khand Chap. Amir Khusro, Mulla Dod, Dadhu Dayal, Mir Maqbul. Option is Mulla Dod. Where is the Killa Rai Pithora located? It is in Delhi. It's a very famous place. It is in Delhi. Jahangir visited Ujjain to meet the ruler of the region, visit the Vaishnava ascetic Jadrup, reorganize the administration of the province, establish a southern capital. Option C. Visit the Vaishnava ascetic Jadrup. 49th. Who wrote Geetavali, Kavitavali and Vinay Patrika? Author of these books, Tulsidas. Tulsidas also wrote Ramcharitmanas, Sundarkand, Hanuman Chalisa, yes. Dohavali. 50th, last question of the day. In medieval Maharashtra, Magtaka was a tax on weavers, dyers, carpenters, sharecroppers. It was a tax on weavers, Winkar. Yes, that's all for the today. We are done with 50 questions. Hope you like the video. Thank you.